So we'll start with the feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath for the lower hand. And bring the arms down and inhale, lengthen up, come up onto the toes, exhale down. So inhale up onto the toes, reaching the fingertips to the sky, exhale, control down. So inhale, lengthen up, belly button squeezed in, exhale down, and inhale, exhale down. Inhale, reaching up, keep breathing, bring the arms to shoulder level, squeeze the shoulder blades together, bring them back, and then reach up a little higher. So shoulder level, squeeze the shoulder blades, come back and reach. Shoulder level, squeeze, back and reach. Shoulder level, squeeze, back and reach. Shoulder level, squeeze, back and reach. Keep reaching and control down. And just roll the shoulders back. And the other way. So we're going to bring the feet together, palms together, inhale, lengthen up. And exhale, gently lean to the left. Come back to the middle. Inhale, lengthen up first. Exhale to the right. And back to center. Inhale and exhale. In the center. Inhale and exhale. And back to center. Inhale. Exhale. Remember, only going as far as you can. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Nothing to hurt. Come back. Bring the arms down. Feet back to shoulder width. Hands on the shoulders. Circle the elbows. And the other way. On tree pose, so standing on the right, so bring that left foot to the ankle, the calf, or up into the inner thigh. Remember, do not lean on the knee joint. Use wherever you can get to. You can keep the arms out shoulder level if you want, or bring the hands to the chest. And if that feels easy enough, then bring the arms up. Fingertips pointing to the sky. Belly button squeezed in. Find a focus point. Inhale, lengthen the arms up. Exhale, relax the shoulders. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, relax. One more. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale. Keep breathing. Bring the arms down. Bring the leg down. Going to the other side. So again, just wherever you're at, so either to the ankle, the calf, or up into the inner thigh, but not on the knee joint. We want that right knee pointing away, hips facing forward. Belly button squeezed in. So if you can, hands to the chest. And when you're ready, you can bring the arms up. Remember, just wherever you're at. So keep challenging yourself, but nothing should hurt. Inhale, lengthen out through the arms. Exhale, relax the shoulders. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, relax. One more inhale. Exhale. Roll back down. So standing pose, we'll do warrior one. Have the right leg forward, left one behind, slightly angled. We've got that front knee bent, the knee tracking in the same direction as the toes. You can either keep the hands to the chest or bring the arms up, either palms apart or together. You can either stay in the basic warrior one pose, or we're going to look up to the sky just to challenge the balance. So before you do, inhale and exhale, look up. Keep breathing and hold. And bring the arms down. I will do the other side. So left leg forward, right leg back, left knee bent. Right leg is straight as much as you can comfortably. Hips and shoulders facing forwards. If you can, bring the arms up. And just sink into that warrior one pose. And if you want to, you challenge the balance by inhaling first, and exhale, looking up to the hands. Keep breathing. Bringing the hands down, bring the back leg forward, and we'll finish with a good posture and the breathing. So shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. So let the belly expand on the in-breath. So if you feel comfortable, just close the eyes for a few breaths. Open the eyes, bring the arms down, and we're all done.